destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An elegant outdoor kitchen for summer is more than just a place to flip burgers. It is a sophisticated extension of your home's interior design brought into the open air. It represents a seamless blend of high-end functionality and aesthetic beauty, designed to make the cooking process as enjoyable as the dining experience itself. In the context of summer, elegance refers to the use of premium materials like natural stone, polished concrete, and weather-resistant hardwoods, paired with sleek, professional-grade appliances. It is a space that prioritizes comfort, flow, and atmosphere, allowing the host to remain part of the party while preparing gourmet meals under the sun or stars. Investing in a high-end outdoor kitchen offers numerous advantages that go far beyond simple convenience. Firstly, it significantly increases the value of your property, as luxury outdoor living spaces are among the most sought-after features for modern homebuyers. Beyond the financial aspect, these kitchens are the ultimate tool for social connection. They eliminate the host isolation that often happens when someone is stuck inside a hot kitchen while guests are enjoying the backyard. Additionally, cooking outdoors keeps the heat and lingering food smells out of your main house during the peak of summer, helping to keep your indoor climate cool and fresh. Perhaps most importantly, an elegant outdoor space encourages a healthier lifestyle, providing a beautiful sanctuary where you can enjoy fresh air and vitamin D while preparing nutritious flame-grilled meals. Decorating an elegant outdoor kitchen requires a balance between durability and style. Start by establishing a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior. Neutral tones like slate gray, warm wood, and creamy stone create a timeless, high-end look. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a luxury atmosphere. Consider a mix of functional task lighting over the grill and ambient options like dimmable LED strips under the countertops or elegant pendant lights over the seating area. To make the space feel lived in and cozy, incorporate outdoor-rated textiles such as plush cushions for bar stools and weather-resistant rugs. Adding greenery is also essential. Built-in planters or stylish pots filled with aromatic herbs like rosemary and basil not only look beautiful but are also functional for the cook. Finally, ensure your furniture is well-proportioned. A large, sleek dining table or a built-in bar with minimalist stools can serve as a stunning focal point. To achieve a truly professional-grade summer kitchen, you must select items that offer both performance and visual appeal. A high-quality stainless steel grill or a built-in ceramic Kamado-style cooker serves as the heart of the setup. However, a truly elegant kitchen also includes indoor-style luxuries like an outdoor-rated refrigerator, a wine cooler, and a deep sink with a stylish gooseneck faucet. For those who love to entertain, a dedicated pizza oven or a power burner for large pots can add a specialized culinary touch. Countertops should be selected for their wow factor as well as their resilience. Granite, quartzite, or thick-poured concrete are excellent choices that withstand the elements. Don't forget the hidden essentials. Stainless steel storage drawers and weatherproof cabinetry keep your tools organized and out of sight, maintaining that clean, sophisticated aesthetic throughout the season. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best elegant outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern industrial pavilion. This design features a striking flat roof structure with a warm wood slatted ceiling that perfectly balances the industrial feel of the black steel beams. The massive stone-clad island provides ample space for prep work and casual bar-style dining, making it the perfect centerpiece for a large-scale summer gathering. The integration of a built-in fireplace in the background ensures the space remains usable and elegant even as the summer nights turn cool. 2. Tropical bohemian alfresco kitchen. Embracing a relaxed yet high-end island vibe, this kitchen utilizes a light-colored brick backsplash and polished concrete countertops. The standout features are the oversized woven pendant lights that hang over the prep area, adding a touch of organic texture. Surrounded by lush tropical greenery and featuring a patterned tile floor inset, this design creates a vacation-like atmosphere right in your backyard. 3 Sunset Terrace Professional Suite. Designed for the serious home chef, this layout features a comprehensive stainless steel appliance suite, including a wide grille and refrigerated storage. The stone-textured bar island is illuminated with warm under-counter lighting, creating a dramatic glow as the sun sets. The sunken seating area adjacent to the kitchen allows for a tiered social environment, keeping guests close to the action without crowding the cooking zone. 4 The rustic stone hearth kitchen. This cozy yet sophisticated space centers around a grand stone fireplace that also houses a television, making it the ultimate outdoor living room. The warm wood decking and matching ceiling contrast beautifully with the rugged stone masonry of the grill station. It's an ideal setup for those who want their outdoor kitchen to feel like a natural, integrated extension of their home's traditional architecture. 5 Minimalist marble and pergola design. Sophistication meets simplicity in this design, which features a stunning waterfall edge marble island that serves as both a prep station and a beer tap. The black modern pergolas overhead provide a graphic architectural element while offering light shade. The clean lines and monochromatic palette of gray and white make this the perfect choice for a contemporary home looking for a high-end, uncluttered outdoor retreat. 6 The sleek anthracite corner. This ultra-modern kitchen uses a dark anthracite gray finish for the cabinetry, creating a bold and moody aesthetic. The L-shaped layout is highly efficient, featuring a built-in Camadou grill and an integrated outdoor fireplace at eye level. This design is perfect for smaller patios where you want to pack in high-end functionality and a boutique hotel feel without a massive footprint. 7 The grand cantilevered overhang. A masterclass in modern architecture, this kitchen is protected by a massive cantilevered roof with integrated recessed lighting and speakers. The warm wood tones on the ceiling reflect the glow of the lights, creating a high-end lounge feel. With a full bar, multiple sinks, and a large television, this space is specifically designed for hosting sports fans and summer parties in ultimate style. 8 The coastal prep station. Perfect for homes near the water, this kitchen uses deep wood-toned cabinetry paired with light, marbled countertops to evoke a nautical elegance. The glass-fronted beverage cooler and high-end built-in appliances are arranged linearly for a clean, streamlined look. The large windows behind the station allow for a seamless view of the landscape, keeping the environment feeling open and airy. 9 The urban tiered culinary nook. This design makes brilliant use of vertical space and varying levels. Tucked under a modern staircase, the kitchen features dark gray cabinetry and a stark white countertop that pops against the surrounding greenery. The use of wood-look floor tiles adds warmth and durability, while the adjacent herb garden and lemon tree provide a farm-to-table feel in an elegant, urban setting. 10 The farmhouse chic outdoor suite. Combining the warmth of country style with modern luxury, this kitchen features light wood cabinetry with traditional hardware and a white subway tile backsplash. The professional-grade hood vent and large grille are framed by elegant wall-mounted lanterns. The long, built-in bench seating with plush white cushions ensures that this space is as much about comfort and relaxation as it is about gourmet cooking. Creating an elegant outdoor kitchen is an investment in your home and your quality of life. By focusing on high-quality materials, smart layouts, and a few luxury touches, you can transform your backyard into a world-class summer retreat. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern minimalism or the cozy textures of rustic stone, these designs prove that you don't have to sacrifice style for functionality. If you found these outdoor kitchen ideas inspiring, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more high-end home inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest guides on luxury living and home design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.